In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Activity Tracker in Monday.com. By the end, you'll have a clear way to see who changed what and when across your board. Perfect for auditing progress, keeping teams aligned, and catching issues early. First, open any project inside your Monday.com workspace. In Monday, a project is typically a board, so choose the board where you want to monitor activity. If you manage multiple boards, the quick search at the top of the interface can help you find the right one fast. Make sure you have the correct access to that board. If you're a viewer only, you might not be able to add new views, so you'll need editor or owner permissions. With your board open, look toward the top of the page where your current view name appears, usually something like Main Table or Kanban. Nearby, you'll see an option to add a new view. It may appear as a plus icon or a labeled Add View button. Click it to open the View Center, which lists all the different ways you can visualize your board's data. This is your hub for creating dashboards, charts, calendars, and, in this case, a tracker for recent changes. From the View Center, select Activity Tracker. Depending on your account's naming and apps, you might see it labeled similarly to Activity Log. Choose the option that tracks updates and changes on the board. Once added, the view loads and starts showing a timeline of actions, things like status updates, column edits, item creations or deletions, and who performed each action. This creates a single source of truth for recent activity without digging through individual items. After the tracker appears, you'll typically have controls to filter by date range, specific users, or types of changes. Narrowing the view to the last week or a particular assignee helps you focus on what matters right now. If your board is busy, consider scoping to key columns, like status or due date, to spotlight the changes that actually impact delivery. You can also expand entries to understand the context of a change and keep your audit trail clear. A couple of tips before we wrap up. If your team relies on the tracker regularly, look for options to rename the view and reorder it so it's easy to find. If you don't see the activity tracker in the View Center, you may need to check with an admin to enable the relevant app or confirm your permissions. That's it. Open your project, click Add View, and select Activity Tracker. You now have a clean, reliable way to monitor updates across your board and keep your projects moving smoothly.